If you are looking for emergency SOS settings on iPhone 16e, you can easily find them by going to settings, and then you need to simply scroll down just a little bit to find emergency SOS over here, where we can find several different options. For example, we can turn on and off call with hold and release, where you can continuously hold the side button and either volume button. Then you will see the countdown and an alarm sound. And after the countdown, you will release if you release the buttons, iPhone will call emergency services. You can also enable the option that allows you to call with 5 side button presses. So you can press side button 5 times for the countdown. And you can also enable call quietly in order to make the emergency SOS call quietly, as the name suggests. Besides that, we also have the crash detection, which can be enabled and disabled here. And we can set up the emergency contacts list in Health app. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!